This is the brief on the quantity theory of money and how to calculate inflation. So we're walking through a core macroeconomic exercise here. It uses the classic quantity theory of money to figure out how changes in the money supply and economic output actually affect the price level. First, you've got this foundational equation. M times V equals P times Y. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, M is the money supply, V is velocity, how often money changes hands, P is the overall price level, and Y is real economic output, GDP. It's basically saying money spent has to equal the value of stuff produced. Second, to make this useful, the theory often assumes that V, the velocity, is constant. That the speed at which money moves around doesn't really change much. And if V is constant, the math gets a lot simpler. The growth in the money supply then has to equal the growth in prices, that's inflation, plus the growth in economic output. Finally, let's just plug in the numbers. The source says the money supply grew by 5%, and real output grew by 2%. So using our simple formula, 5% equals inflation plus 2%. That means inflation has to be 3%. Simple as that. So the whole exercise shows that if velocity is stable, inflation is really the growth rate of the money supply minus the growth rate of the economy.